If you wanna set up SIM lock and unlock on your Samsung phone to keep your information protected, follow the simple steps. So first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our privacy and security tab. Biometric and security in my case. Choose it. Here we're gonna find our more security options. Here they are. Choose this tab. Now find your setup SIM card lock, tap on it, and to enable your SIM card lock, simply tap on the switch. Now you will be prompted to enter your last SIM card lock. Usually it's 1111 or 1234, so try it. In my case it's 1234, easy as that. So after that, our SIM card lock is enabled. You can also change it by pressing change SIM card pin. So once again, you have to enter your current one. And here simply enter a new one. If you want to disable your SIM card lock, once again, open up the same settings. So let me remind you, it's settings, biometrics and security. Find your other security settings, set up SIM card lock, tap on the switch and enter your current PIN. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.